In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top yoga exercises that can help relieve pain and improve your flexibility. Whether you're an experienced yogi or just starting out, these exercises are easy to follow and can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest and best yoga exercises for pain relief and flexibility. Child's Pose. The Child's Pose is a gentle, restorative pose that can help relieve tension in the lower back, hips, and thighs. To do the Child's Pose, start on your hands and knees with your arms extended out in front of you. As you exhale, lower your hips back towards your heels, keeping your arms extended in front of you. This pose is great for stretching the spine and hips and can be held for several minutes at a time. You can also vary the depth of the stretch by placing blocks or pillows under your hips for support. Another great aspect of this pose is its calming effect on the mind and body. The forward fold can help release tension and stress and promote relaxation. So not only does this pose help with physical pain relief, but it also has mental and emotional benefits as well. Downward Facing Dog. Downward Facing Dog is a great pose for stretching out the back, hips, and legs. It can also help relieve tension in the neck and shoulders. To do a Downward Facing Dog, start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you exhale, lift your hips up and back, straightening your arms and legs, and coming into an inverted V shape. Hold this pose for several breaths, allowing the muscles in your back and legs to fully lengthen and stretch. One key aspect to focus on in this pose is aligning your hands and feet. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart and your feet are hip width apart. This will help distribute the weight evenly and prevent overstraining any one area. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a simple, yet effective stretch that can help relieve tension in the back and neck. To do the cat-cow stretch, start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your tailbone towards the ceiling, looking up. As you exhale, round your back, tucking your chin to your chest and bringing your tailbone towards your knees. Repeat this movement several times, flowing smoothly between the two poses. This stretch is great for warming up the spine and improving mobility. It can also help relieve tension and stiffness in the neck, back, and hips. As you move through the stretch, pay attention to how your body feels and adjust the depth of the stretch as needed. Warrior II Pose. Warrior II Pose is a great pose for strengthening the legs, hips, and back, while also stretching the hips and chest. To do the Warrior II Pose, start in a lunge position with your right foot forward and your left foot back. Turn your right foot out to the right, and then raise your arms out to the sides, one in front of you and one behind you. Hold this pose for several breaths, feeling the stretch in your hips and chest and the strengthening in your legs and back. In this pose, it's important to keep your front knee bent and your back leg straight. This will help engage the muscles in your legs and prevent overstraining your knee. Additionally, focus on maintaining proper alignment in your hips and shoulders to prevent any imbalances or strain. Pigeon Pose. The Pigeon Pose is a great pose for stretching the hips, lower back, and legs. It can also help relieve tension in the hips, lower back, and glutes. To do a pigeon pose, start in a plank position on your hands and knees. Bring your right knee forward, placing it next to your right hand, and extend your left leg behind you. Hold this pose for several breaths, feeling the stretch in your hips and lower back. For a deeper stretch, you can also walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the ground. It's important to listen to your body in this pose and only go as deep as is comfortable for you. If you feel any discomfort or pain, back off and make adjustments as needed. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more yoga exercises for pain relief and flexibility. And always remember to listen to your body and practice mindfully, taking breaks as needed. Benefits of a consistent yoga practice. In addition to the specific poses discussed in this video, practicing yoga on a consistent basis can have numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Regular yoga practice can help improve posture, flexibility, and balance, as well as reduce stress and anxiety. It can also enhance cardiovascular health, boost immune function, and improve overall well-being. Yoga can also be a great form of exercise for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's low impact, making it an ideal form of exercise for those with joint pain or injury. And because yoga can be modified to suit individual needs and abilities, it's a form of exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and fitness levels. A consistent yoga practice can also help you cultivate a deeper connection between your mind and body, allowing you to be more mindful and present in your daily life. With regular practice, you may find that you become more relaxed and less reactive to stress, and that you have a greater ability to cope with challenging situations. So, whether you're looking to relieve pain, improve flexibility, reduce stress, or simply improve your overall well-being, incorporating a consistent yoga practice into your routine can be a great choice. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more yoga exercises for pain relief and flexibility. Making yoga a part of your lifestyle. Making yoga a part of your lifestyle can bring numerous benefits to your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can help you develop a deeper connection between your mind and body and improve your posture, flexibility, and balance. To make yoga a part of your lifestyle, it's important to start small and make it a habit. You don't need to commit to a long, intense practice every day, but simply set aside a few minutes each day to practice a few of your favorite poses. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your practice. It's also important to be patient with yourself and remember that progress takes time. Don't compare yourself to others, and don't be discouraged if you can't do a certain pose right away. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own achievements. Finally, make sure to find a yoga style that works for you. There are many different styles of yoga, from Hatha to Vinyasa, and from Kundalini to Ashtanga. Experiment with different styles and find one that you enjoy and that meets your individual needs and goals. So, why not make yoga a part of your lifestyle today? Subscribe to our channel for more yoga exercises for pain relief and flexibility, and start experiencing the many benefits of yoga for yourself. Conclusion. Practicing yoga can be a great way to relieve pain and improve flexibility. The poses we've discussed in this video, such as Child's Pose, Downward Facing Dog, Cat-Cow Stretch, Warrior Two Pose, and Pigeon Pose, are just a few examples of the many yoga exercises that can help with pain relief and flexibility. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed, avoiding any poses that cause discomfort or pain. Incorporating a consistent yoga practice into your routine can have numerous benefits beyond pain relief and flexibility. Yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve posture, and enhance overall well-being. If you're new to yoga, it's always a good idea to start with a beginner's class or work with a certified yoga instructor to ensure proper form and alignment. As you become more comfortable with the poses, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your practice. It's also important to remember that yoga is a form of exercise, and like any other form of exercise, it's important to warm up and cool down, properly hydrate, and stretch before and after each practice. In conclusion, incorporating yoga into your daily routine can have numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Remember to listen to your body, practice mindfully, and always seek guidance from a certified instructor when starting a new yoga practice. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more yoga exercises for pain relief and flexibility.